Hello everyone, welcome back with me. Today I'll introduce one of the dApps that is very useful for helping you find profits. This dApp is app.hypersfusion.xyz with an S in hypers. In this dApp, you can use the Sniper bot, Auto Arbitrage bot, and Solana token creator. However, for now, I'll explain the arbitrage feature first. Currently, the networks supported for arbitrage are Ethereum Layer 1, Ethereum Layer 2, such as the Base network, and also BSC. Right now, I'm using the Base network because the fees are very cheap. Let's get started. First, this is the name of the smart contract you will deploy. Second, you can use a loan. The minimum loan amount is $500 for 0.05 ETH. If you want a $1,000 loan amount, you can use 0.1 ETH. If you are using BNB, 0.2 BNB is required for a $1,000 loan amount. If you have plenty of ETH or BNB, you don't need to use a loan, just leave it empty. The loan only helps to speed up profits from the arbitrage difference later. After that, connect your MetaMask wallet and fill in the amount of ETH you want to use for arbitrage. The minimum is 0.05, but I recommend at least 0.1 ETH to quickly gain arbitrage profit. Here, I'm using 0.2 ETH and clicking Start. Wait for the notification of the created contract address. Next, copy and paste the address into Etherscan if you're using Ethereum Layer 1, or BaseScan if you're using Base. You can see that the ETH I sent has already been received by the bot within the contract. After that, just wait a few hours or even a day before checking again. After almost a day since I deployed the contract, I checked again, and it's now 0.77 ETH from 0.2 ETH. You can see the transactions below. 7 hours ago, I got a profit of 0.25 ETH, and 3 hours ago, I got 0.32 ETH. If you feel it's enough, you can go back to the dApp, select arbitrage again, then connect your wallet and click withdraw. Open your MetaMask and wait until the transaction is successful. Mine has now reached 0.797 ETH. Wow. The busier the market, the easier it is to find arbitrage opportunities. You can keep doing this as long as the market isn't stagnant or sideways. During sideways trends, it's still possible, but the results won't be as significant. Good luck trying it out.